According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, the best time to begin baby-led weaning is around 6 months of age. But, hi everyone! If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for tips on baby nutrition and feeding. Baby-led weaning is a wonderful way to introduce your baby to solid foods by allowing them to self-feed right from the start. Studies show this method can reduce picky eating later on. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, the best time to begin baby-led weaning is around 6 months of age. But how do you know if your baby is ready? Here are the key signs to look for. 1. Sitting up. Your baby should be able to sit up with little to no support. 2. Good head control. Your baby should have good control of their head and neck. 3. Interest in food. Showing curiosity about what you're eating is a great indicator. 4. Grasping ability. Your baby should be able to grasp objects and bring them to their mouth. These signs usually appear around the 6-month mark, but remember, every baby is unique. Some might be ready a little earlier or later. When starting BLW, offer soft, easy-to-grasp foods like steamed vegetables or ripe fruits cut into sticks. Always supervise your baby during meals to ensure they are safe and comfortable. Remember, always consult with your pediatrician before starting any new feeding method, and take the time to educate yourself about the best practices and safety guidelines. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you tried baby-led weaning with your little one? What signs did you notice that told you they were ready? Drop your experiences and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow parents. See you next time with more tips and tricks for your parenting adventure.